में उसका
Thane police have written a letter to CID and requested them to investigate the death of Akshay Shinde as per guidelines for investigation of custodial deaths. CID is expected to take over the case registered at the Mumra police station now. Vrishali Kadam is joining us for more details on this story. Vrishali, the CID expected to take over this case now. What details can you share with us?
Well, the CID and the forensic team has already reached the spot. They have investigated the spot as well as the vehicle in which the incident took place. Not only that, we are also learning that after the forensic test and after the post-mortem, the police will hand over the culprit's body to his family as well. But meanwhile, lot of reactions are coming in, particularly from the UBT. We have seen that how Aditya Thackeray has raised a question on this particular firing, although it has been informed by the police that the firing took place in a retaliation in the in a self-saving mode. Police also fired because initially the firing is done by the culprit itself, and in a retaliation this firing took place in which he has died. So, but certainly the incident, the chronology is now being questioned by the opposition. A lot of reactions are coming in. This is on the one side. On the other side, we have seen that in Badlapur itself, there is a celebration mode. Parents Association as well as the Shiv Sena Shinde faction, they are the unit is celebrating. We have seen that a lot of people gather outside the police station after this heinous crime took place. They were demanding for the culprit's arrest and to hang him in public, and now as he is no more, there is a celebration. We have also seen that the sweets were distributed in the railway station in Badlapur and also near the prominent chowks in Badlapur. So certainly it's a two-way sentiment. So we can see opposition who is questioning. At the same time, the Chief Minister...
Right. Stay with us, Vrishali. In fact, more breaking news coming in. Shiv Sena MP Shrikant Shinde has reacted to the Badlapur encounter. He said the accused opened fire on police. In self-defense, the police fired at him. Let's listen into what he said.
गर्व का विषय यहाँ पे ये नहीं है. कल जो इंसिडेंट हुआ कि ट्रांजिट में जो आरोपी था उसने पुलिस पर फायरिंग की, पुलिस को गोली लगी, उसके सेल्फ डिफेंस में पुलिस ने उसके ऊपर गोली.
Vrishali Kadam is joining us for more details on this story. Vrishali, more reactions continue to come in. The Chief Minister's son, Shrikant Shinde, who is also a member of Parliament, has defended the police, saying they did the firing in self-defense.
Yes, of course, because even the Home Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, Devendra Fadnavis, he has also explained the chronology by saying that it is the culprit who opened the fire, and in a self-defense, the police fired back, in which he has died. In fact, the police who have been injured and have been admitted in the hospital, it was the Shiv Sena Shinde faction's MP also visited to understand the health and the condition of the policemen as well. But yes, of course, the war of word has began. Now the CM is also questioning that those opposition who were earlier demanding to hang the culprit in the public domain, now they are saying that there is a big conspiracy behind this. So they are speaking in both languages, how this is possible. First you say something, and then after this particular self-defense attack, when he has died, now you are saving the balatkari. This is what Chief Minister has also said. So certainly a lot of reactions are coming in, but yes, on the one hand, there is a celebration also which has been witnessed in Badlapur itself.
Stay with us, Vrishali. In fact, we're getting more breaking news coming in. Maharashtra